Stephen here, Flex Arm. Hey, live demonstration, IMTS, West Boot, 43-2115, upside down, videographer Andre. Hey, today we're going to talk about the clutch tools that we have.
Welcome to IMTS Day 2. Neil, what did you think about the show yesterday?
Oh, day one was amazing. This place is massive. We basically had, how many leads did we get? 186 new customers that are interested in buying some of our products to help them out in their shop and make them more money.
Automation at its finest. Check out Ready Robot running the A32 tapping arm.
Sir, you didn't get too many leads.
Well, what is he doing? This guy?
It's not his fault. It's not his fault, sir.
He's working too many deals at the IMTS show.
What about your Flex Arm diagram?
Flexibility and capability that it's ready to do, put on straight edges. What we gotta do is put the tappers apart. Push it down to the bottom, eliminate any kind of tab breakage. We got quick change cowling. So we're gonna go from an inch and a half to 3/8.
I can trust that it's made in the United States and it's supported nearby by people that have the same love and affinity for American manufacturing as I do.
I really don't know how we may do without it. Every time I use it, I go to my boss and I say, how did we ever get along without this?
So how were you originally tapping?
You know, same way everybody does.
Doesn't get any better than that. Solving your problem today. Give us a call.